Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Mom Fights Police While Her Teenager Watches by Midwest Safety.
What's going on?
You know what's going on.
What's going on?
Well, I came to the fire department. Get away, Mitchell.
That's not how it works.
Yes,
That's not how it works.
Because you denied to protect and serve us. We're leaving the house. I'm his
How?
mother. You didn't want to remove the guns or my husband. Get away from me. I asked for a woman. They abuse women in there.
He's here to help.
No, he's not. He could have helped earlier.
Ma'am,
I had
what?
a panic attack, Mitchell.
Okay.
I'm a veteran too.
I
Get
got you.
away from me. I do not consent your help. I have the right
Well,
to tell
right now you're causing a disturbance.
I came here for help, not
Right now
you.
you're causing a
Goodbye.
disturbance.
I called f***ing
They over there just bullshitting, probably partying and playing around, playing PlayStation and shit. She come over here with this.
911. You're gonna arrest me? Arrest me for calling 911, Mitchell. I already told you I'm suing your department.
Go ahead.
And I will f***ing sue you personally too. Get the f*** away from me. You want to Baker's Act me? It's not going to be this easy. I voluntarily went with your police officer. I do not trust your department, my lawyers, and my boss, a registered nurse. My company is now going after you because I lost my job. So
Her company going after you because she lost.
Oh, Mitchell,
That's a new one on me.
I'm not an idiot. I've been in healthcare field for 20 years. I've worked.
Would you like to go to the hospital by ambulance right now?
No,
Your only
I'm.
options are going to the hospital
No,
by
my
ambulance or
option
talking
is-
to the
It's either you can go to the hospital with them or you can get in your vehicle and leave.
No, I need to calm down.
Or you can
I'm
go
not
to
driving
jail.
like this.
We'll
I have a
by
f***ing brain.
ambulance.
They'll take you to the
You not using it right now, that's for sure.
What? You cannot take me to the hospital if I'm not giving you consent. Yes, I know my f***ing rights. I've been teaching
No, we got one of these. I know my rights, people.
patient rights for 20 years.
Your options are going to the hospital by ambulance.
Okay.
We're talking to a PD
Let's
officer.
go. Come on.
pick up that cigarette. Pick up
That's littering.
Charge me
cigarette.
for littering. I don't care.
All right. Stay right there. Don't leave.
No, I'm not f***ing listening to you. I asked for a woman.
Pick up the cigarette.
This is what shame on you!
I copy.
F*** off! I do not trust these people! This motherfucker was in
Listen.
my...
Look, they was in that bitch chilling. He got on flip flops. They probably eating Doritos and shit.
Either get in the vehicle and leave.
F*** off, Mitchell. I want your number.
You need to leave.
Give me your information now.
135.
What?
135.
I want your card.
135. You want a business card?
Card. Do you think I'm gonna remember your 135, Mitchell?
Hey, you remember my name, don't you?
Yeah,
Hello.
He wouldn't even take a book about PTSD. No, I have an 8-year-old child.
I know, but
Exactly. Right now, you're no
Act like it then.
condition to drive. Ma'am, don't leave. Right now, you're in no condition to leave.
I am having a panic attack in front of my child.
Yes.
This motherfucker
Listen.
would rather protect a man than a woman and a child.
Ma'am.
No.
But think about your
No,
child
this is
right
why
now.
women get killed.
Hey, she's very irate. She's trying to get in her vehicle and leave. I told her not to leave, so if you just want to just expedite until we figure out what's going on.
She's leaving.
I asked for help. They brought Mitchell. You told me hospital or
Just hold on.
Hey, hold on.
I don't want this
She is right though, so I don't know why they trying to stop her from leaving.
mother. You better get a face.
We'll
He's
take care of that.
triggering
We'll
me.
take care of that.
No, you're not. Get the out of my sight.
Why you put it in park for a
Mitchell,
minute? Just put it in park.
Put it in park.
Let's come in.
get out. I don't want
135.
Mitchell. I deserve a different officer that gives a shit.
He's,
Good.
he's calling for a different
Okay,
officer.
he's calling for somebody
Can you
different.
So she won't even speak to me at all. Very irate manner. She's only going to speak to either a female officer
Or not you.
or any other female. She tried to get in the vehicle, but they were trying to stop her because of how irate and the mental state that she was in due to the safety of the child.
Is there a child in there?
Yeah, the son's in there in the front seat.
How old is the child?
Maybe 8, 9.
Nope, I don't like men.
That dude is huge. How the fuck do you stand over a fucking Jeep, bro?
I feel more bad for the kid.
Pickle, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a 9-year-old in the car. Is it alright if I have 48 come over here? She wants nothing to do with the males so far. Understood? Try it.
What is a 48? A woman officer?
Is there some way that we can maybe get the kid to the dad?
Well, she's not going to let the kid come with us.
No, I know. I'm gonna go try to talk to the kid. If I go and talk to the kid and she freaks out, I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do. We can't have her
Drive in this day. Yeah.
I'm trying to follow myself.
Very high, all up and down and
She probably messing around.
stuff. We got the kid inside. She refused. She won't talk to me. She won't talk to any males. Big issue is she's like this because I guess her and her husband are going through a divorce.
Okay.
She either wants us to kick the husband out of the house or have us remove all his firearms, which we can't do that.
Okay.
While the husband is currently on his way to the scene, things are about to quickly
Uh-oh.
get much worse.
Why would they call him to the scene? Oh, to get the kid.
Okay.
He looks like he's maybe 8 or 9. I'm not sure the exact age.
Basically, she just wants to talk to us, you know?
Yeah, whatever we need to do to make her not drive. So if I gotta
I don't look in the back.
see if she can just at least turn the car off.
I can't breathe. Please give me my medicine.
So how can we help you?
By not the Baker's Act, and they refuse to remove the guns. I just wanted the guns out of the house. I don't
You
know.
need to get an expert day order for that. We
I
can't
don't
just
f***ing
in your
care.
house.
I know.
Well, I'm telling you what you need to do.
Get away!
Oh.
Yes, you can't.
I'm gonna tase
Oh,
you.
yo.
Get out!
Ow!
Taser deployment! Get out of the car!
Why did she start attacking the cop though? The lady cop, that's what she asked for, just to attack her?
I can't.
Get out of the car!
I haven't.
Get out of the car!
Oh, stop chasing me. I do not consent.
Get out of the
I don't think nobody consents to getting tasered. That shit don't feel good.
car!
I will. Just give me a minute. I can't move. I can't move. I'm having a seizure. I'm having a seizure.
I ain't ever seen somebody talk during a seizure.
Just stop. I can't.
Get out of the car!
No, I can't move. You're
moving right now. Get
Get out of the car!
You can't move, but you talking. That's funny as fuck.
Hey, listen, you're gonna have somebody a lot stronger than them take you out.
Listen.
You have two choices.
I'm trying.
You get out,
I just took a.
or I'm gonna take you out. And it's not.
The choice is yours, and he big as fuck. He was standing over the Jeep.
Not
I
gonna
will
feel
get
good.
out.
Now.
I can't. I'm having a panic attack. You just tased me twice.
Okay, so get out, or I'm going
This
to
is
take
why
you
veterans
out.
commit suicide.
Okay, well,
You treat us
That is not why.
as criminals. Just give me
I'm not gonna speak for all veterans, but this is not why. Not right here.
a minute, sir.
I can't.
I can't. Just don't pull so hard.
I'm not pulling.
It's
here's
my
the-
legs
look
are,
at me.
listen.
Listen to me.
Seizures you can't control.
Okay.
My legs are calming down. I'm sorry.
Absolutely.
No, I don't care. Break my out of me.
Oh my god.
No, please.
Get tased again!
There she is. This guy's chilling. I've never seen somebody just randomly drink a Pepsi. Disgusting. Dr. Pepper guy.
freaking close.
I'm not a criminal. Oh,
You just did some criminal shit though.
motherfucker, I'm a veteran. Piece of shit. You're lucky there's 3 of you. You guys are already getting sued by my lawyer. Maybe I'll get a beach house.
On our side.
No, you gotta give me a second. I'm having another seizure.
If you act like this, I'm pretty sure them neighbors do not want your ass.
I'm having a seizure. You, I deserve medical care. I want the doctor. Please help me. I deserve medical care. Please give me a doctor.
You just want to pat her down this way?
Okay, I can stand up if you hold my legs like that. Ow, ow, there's something in my legs.
That's probably a taser prong.
Yeah, little Mitchell, tease me again. You're lucky I don't have my combat veteran stuff on me. Hope you got big balls picking on veteran women. That PTSD. Glad you protected and served my child and me. You should have read that
You failed you and your child, honestly.
PTSD.
And we just being completely honest.
book that you let sit on the ground in my. I'm getting medical care for this. You motherfuckers are getting sued. You cannot falsely arrest someone.
I mean, they asked you to
Having an
leave.
active seizure. I'm not seizing up anymore. I can stand. I'm not seizing now. God, I'm a physical therapist assistant. I can stand. I want a doctor. I want
You're not a physical therapist though. You just the assistant.
to see a psychiatrist. I know my rights.
You want to take her down there?
Will you please take care of Jesse? He can't go with my husband. Victoria is his child protective service. Please protect my child.
I don't know if the taser prongs are still in or not.
Yes, it is. It's in my hip.
What's going on with this? Sit on 20.
Can you grab my...
I'm sorry.
If you guys make me have a stroke, I'm gonna pass out. Lift my legs up. Oh, my arm. Oh, not my arms, my legs. God, learn how to lift some weights. That taser thing is...
You a big bit? Oh, let me stop.
Can you get it off?
Yeah, you can wait a minute. Can you just take this taser prong out? I don't know if it's in her clothes or her...
It hurt.
Well, you need to stop moving.
God, let me have another seizure, okay?
All right, go ahead. Take your time.
Off.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm a veteran.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you don't. You arrested a veteran that has the PTSD and seizures.
Do you want that off or you
No,
want to
don't
keep it
fucking
on?
touch me. I
All
don't
right,
give
good.
you consent. Little bitch.
Hey, when she did that bag, did it hit you?
No.
Her person?
I don't know.
I don't want
Let me
her
search her
touching
better.
me.
Well, you're going in my freaking car, so I have to touch you.
Oh, you need to lift some weights with Mitchell. You got bigger muscles than Mitchell, though. That little bitch needs to get a pair. You can take the hoodie off. I just brought it because I was running away from my abusive husband that apparently has more rights than me.
Well, it seems like you the abuser in this situation.
Anything else?
Well, I want my phone.
The suspect's husband now arrives on scene.
So she came here. I don't know if she's mentally ill or what she has on board. So she came here with, I guess, your daughter. Is it your daughter or your son?
My son,
Yeah, how old is he?
8.
Okay, he's in there with the firefighters. I'll go grab him in a second, he's fine. She comes here and she's in a full-blown mental breakdown. She's not fit.
She's been doing this all. And
So-
over the last couple of months, this is why we're in the middle of a divorce.
So we deemed that she was unfit to care for herself, let alone operate a motor vehicle with the kidney, right? I think that's a pretty safe bet.
Thank God.
We go to Baker Actor and she starts fighting us. So we hook her up. I think she got tased. We try to put her in the back of a police car. She kicked an officer. She's on her way to the hospital or the jail now. So she's going for a Baker Act, resisting with violence, without violence, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Just trying to keep you up to date.
This suspect was placed under a Baker Act and was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, assault on a law enforcement officer, and resisting officers with violence. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Summer's coming up, so you might be getting a lot more uploads from me on the long form side, at least. Yeah, baby, we're gonna turn it up a notch. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away out.